Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play services keep stopping. So all you have to do is make sure your Google Play services is up to date. And also if you have modified your time, make sure you can go to the settings first and go to the additional setting. Try to search date and time. Make sure your date and time set automatically here. So if you turn off, there is a possibility your Google Play service or Google App services get crashed. So let's get back, still in the settings. So you can go to the app list or app management and then tap on app list and try to search the Google Play services. Now you can find it here, you can tap it. And here you can go to the storage usage and clear some cache, and no need clear data, but just clear some cache, and you can go back and try to uninstall updates here. If you're done, now you can try to open the Google Play and let's see how it works. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.